What does the 123 button on Samsung remote do?
Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the 123 button on your Samsung remote. Many of you might have wondered, what does this button do? Today, we're going to answer that question and help you get the most out of your Samsung TV experience.
What is the 123 button on my Samsung remote?
The 123 button is located on your Samsung remote, usually near the center of the device. This button is basically a shortcut for typing numbers or text. When pressed, it brings up an on-screen keyboard or numeric pad on your TV screen.
How do I use the 123 button?
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the 123 button. 1. Press the 123 button. The on-screen keyboard or numeric pad will appear on your screen. 2. Navigate the on-screen keyboard. Use the directional buttons, up, down, left, right, on your remote to navigate the keyboard. 3. Select the characters or numbers. Press the OK or Select button in the center of your directional buttons to input a character or number. 4. Complete the input. Once you've typed in the necessary text or numbers, you can press the return or back button to remove the on-screen keyboard. This feature is especially useful when you need to enter passwords, search for shows or movies, or type in URLs in your TV's web browser.
Can I customize the 123 button?
As of the latest update prior to September 2021, Samsung does not provide an option to customize the function of the 123 button. It is pre-programmed to bring up the on-screen keyboard or numeric pad. That's all you need to know about the 123 button on your Samsung remote. It's a nifty little shortcut to make your Samsung Smart TV experience smoother and more convenient. Remember, this button brings up an on-screen keyboard or numeric pad, making it easier to input text and numbers. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more Samsung remote tips and tricks.